मेरे प्यारो दोस्तों, today we'll discuss how to prepare for banking examination. Before delving into this, let me tell you a brief about myself. My name is Nilay Mitash Shankar. I hail from Jaunpur. Till class 12, I studied in Jaunpur itself. Thereafter, I did BTech in Electronics and Communication, and post my BTech, I did Master of Business Administration from IIT Roorkee. This was in brief about the educational background. Now about the banking examination and success. Before starting to delve into the preparation mode, let me tell you the exam I have cleared. I have cleared IBPS twice. I have cleared State Bank of India, State Bank of India Associate, ICICI Bank, UCO Bank, Canara Bank, United Bank of India, Balia Itawa Grameen Bank, etc. These banks I have cleared. So whatever strategies I am going to discuss, I am going to tell you, be sure that it has worked with me for many examinations. So you can safely rely on this strategy. Of course, you have your own wisdom to modify this strategy as per the need of R and as per your wishes and your strong point. You can modify this strategy. But in my view, this is one of the strategy which has helped me to crack multiple examination. So coming into the preparation strategy, let me discuss how to prepare various sections which are being asked in banking examination. And I am going to comprehensively discuss not just prelims, not just mains, not just interview, all the thing in a consolidated manner. First thing is quantitative aptitude section, that is mathematics section. Now how to prepare maths for banking examination. Banking examination over the period of time has evolved itself. So for banking examination and mathematics section, I would say one should have basic command over mathematics of class 10th. Till class 10th, one should have very strong command of mathematics. One can read NCERT books till class 10th and they should repeatedly solve question from NCERT books so that they can have very good command over mathematics. Apart from class 10th, few topics are being asked which is of class 11th and somewhat one or two topics from class 12 mathematics also. Basically till class 10th it covers major topics, few topics from class 11 and hardly one or two topics from class 12. So you must know what topics are being asked in banking examination. You can take test series of various coachings like Bankers Adda, Time, CAT or any other coaching test series you can take, which will help you to analyze the type of questions which are being asked. Now when you know the type of question, you have to then study those topics comprehensively from the basic book. And apart from these books, the book which I followed for mathematics was Quantum CAT by Sarvesh Singh. The book was very good and it covered wide range of topics. So that book helped me a lot in my quantitative aptitude section, math section. Apart from this, you can follow R.S. Agrawal, you can follow coaching notes, you can follow YouTube lectures, you can join any of the coaching. They will tell you various tips and techniques to solve those things. Apart from these basic things and taking help from YouTube, or if you feel like you want to take coaching, from coaching they tell you short videos, they tell you short techniques how to solve those things. Do all those things. Leave nothing for luck's sake. Do whatever you can do, because in math section when you attempt a question, you are 100% sure that this is the right answer. So mathematics section is very important in this sense. Also, I would suggest you, what I also did was to solve many test series. I solved many test series. So that gives you confidence that you will be able to perform actually in exam, actually in the war room. The more you will sweat in peace, the less you will bleed in war. तो आप जितना ज्यादा मेहनत घर पे कोचिंग में अपने कमरे में बैठ के जितना ज्यादा मैथ्स लगाएंगे उतना अच्छा रहेगा आपको एग्जाम टाइम में सॉल्व करने में. तो ये था ब्रीफ अबाउट मैथमेटिक्स. एंड यस, अबाउट फॉर्मूलाज एक्सेट्रा आई वुड से मेक अ copy of formula, try to memorize them, try to learn them again and again so that you don't forget the formula in the exam hall. This was in brief about preparing for quantitative aptitude section. Now next section I will come is of verbal ability, the most dreaded section. The most dreaded section, especially for engineers and for students who hail from North India. How to prepare for verbal ability. Now I'll tell you at the very outset that my verbal ability was also not good. What I did and what worked for me most of the time in many of the examination was thorough newspaper reading. I used to read 2 newspaper daily. Not, of course, not from page 1, word 1 to last page and last word. The editorial section I used to read of both the newspaper, and I used to make a copy where I used to note the tough words. Tough words help you in the vocabulary section as well as understanding the passage which come in examination. So for verbal ability, the single most important thing is to read good newspaper. I used to do it daily, and I think you must all do newspaper daily, if not 2, at least 1. Make a copy where you note down the tough word and their meaning and sentence also. So this was one way to prepare verbal ability. Second thing is, you can watch good news or good talk show or good YouTube videos in English, where it so that it can help you to improve your English from the grassroots. Once your English will improve, you will not feel pressure of verbal ability section. So newspaper reading is one. Watching good news is second. Watching good English news is second. Third is making vocab copy of your own and learning vocab. Fourth is solving questions which are asked in previous year papers. You can come to know of those things through test series. You can purchase good book of say Arihant publication or any other publication. You can also visit coaching materials of Bankers Adda, CAT, Time or any other. You can refer various good YouTube channels are there which helps you to improve your verbal ability, your English section. You can follow those things also. Now once you will do all these things, your English will improve. And for English, I must say, English is not improved over a single day. Improving English take time. It take almost 6 months to an year depending on your past. So have patience while you prepare for verbal ability, while you improving your verbal ability. Also for grammar, solve as many exercises as possible. Read 1 or 2 good grammar books. Read 1 or 2 good grammar books and read them again and again. Read them again and again. Solve the questions of grammar, because grammar is like mathematics. If it's correct, it's correct. You are sure that it's correct, so that will fetch you a mark. So in English, read newspaper, watch good news channel, solve coaching material, test series, past year paper and grammar. English is all about building an atmosphere of English around you, and these are ways through which you can truly understand the basic of English, and this will help you to improve your performance in the paper. So we are done with math, we are done with English. Now let's go to reasoning. Reasoning is very interesting portion of banking examination. Basically, reasoning is what? Reasoning is sum of quantitative aptitude as well as English. If your English is good, your mathematics is good, your reasoning will be good. Reasoning, there is only one fundamental: solve as many questions as possible. There is no other way you can do well in reasoning. Solve as many questions as possible. Also for data interpretation, I will say data interpretation part, which comes in as a part of quantitative aptitude. Solve as many questions as possible from various books, from various notes, from various coaching institutes, from various YouTube videos. Solve those, they will certainly help you. So we are done with quant, we are done with verbal, we are done with reasoning. Reasoning, only thing is solve as many as questions as possible. Understand what is being asked, what is the demand of paper. Solve those type of questions repeatedly and as many as you can. Fourth is journal awareness. How to prepare for journal awareness, and the best source to prepare for journal awareness is newspaper and the monthly magazine. But the basis of preparing current affairs is newspaper. Through newspaper, start making notes. This will help you to improve better in journal awareness section. Also, for journal awareness, you can follow various YouTube channels. There are various YouTube channels which focuses on current affairs, which focuses on banking awareness. You can go through that. And in current affairs or banking or journal awareness, three parts come. One is banking awareness or the economic portion. Second is current affairs. Third is miscellaneous. These things you have to focus on these three pillars: banking awareness and economics. Read some basic book of economics that will help you to cover that portion of general studies, or you can refer YouTube video, or you can read Ramesh Singh book or any basic economics book till class 12, or you can read Ramesh Singh also. Apart from that, the current affairs part is through newspaper. Focus on newspaper. Your current affairs is going to hit on the target, hit the nail on the head. You can also follow monthly magazine as well as various YouTube channel for the current events happening in the country. And for various other miscellaneous things, the newspaper as well as YouTube video will suffice. This is all encompassing various sections. Apart from that, computer aptitude or computer awareness is also asked. You can prepare from the basic book which is available in the market, or through test series, or through YouTube videos. So this was in brief about various sections which you can do to prepare. Point to be noted is, you should have patience, you should have determination, you should have perseverance. These examination people generally don't crack over a day. They need to prepare for 6 months to a year, or sometimes 2 years, or sometimes even 3 years. Right? You need to prepare continuously over this period of time. You need to have patience. You need to have determination. You should have self-belief over you. And this will certainly help you to clear banking examination. I, from my experience of cracking almost 8 to 10 banking examination over a period of time, is telling you with certainty that if you follow these basic things with modification as per your strength and weaknesses, you will certainly clear all banking examination in India. No doubt in that. Also, I would like to bring to your notice that why reading newspaper is important. I was appearing for Bank of India provisionary officer examination once. Before IBPS, all banks used to have their separate banking examination. What I found was, word for word, passage of economic times came in Bank of India examination paper. I read one editorial in Economic Times few days back, and the same editorial was repeated in Bank of India examination. Now you can relate how much important is to read newspaper. And this was in brief strategy about clearing the stages of banking examination pre-interview. Now what is asked in interview? Now let's discuss how to prepare for interview. For interview, I'd say focus on your personality. Now, how to improve your personality? Personality is not built in a single day. It takes time to build personality. Reading newspaper here also plays very important role. In interview, there are few pillars of interview where the question is being asked. One is your graduation subject. Second is your upbringing, from which city you hail from. Question will be asked from your city. Question will be asked from your background. Question will be asked from economic section. Question will be asked from banking awareness. Question will be asked from current affairs. These are 4-5 areas from which interviewer will ask you questions. So prepare on these topics before going for an interview. I got out of 50, 48 marks in SBI, GDPI and interview, and that helped me to clear the SBI examination. Now how I got so much good marks that out of 50 I got 48? I followed the fundamental. I prepared on myself. That is what are my hobbies and interests. I prepared on that topic. I had done BTech, so I prepared on that. I hail from Jaunpur. I prepared from that. Since I am appearing in banking examination, so I prepared economics well. The general economics which is asked in banking examination, and current affairs I prepared very well, and through newspaper and through various good news and YouTube videos. So they asked question from that, and it helped me to excel also, because I had knowledge of all those things from my preparation. So I did very well in interview also. So this was comprehensive talk on preparing for banking examination and in brief. If you have any query regarding preparation for banking examination, feel free to write in the comment section. And at last, I would thank DKT platform for giving me opportunity so that I can interact with thousands of students and share my strategy which has worked for me in many of the examinations and help them in cracking the prestigious banking examination. Believe me, banking examination is easy. Just have patience. You need to have patience and prepare for some time. It's not just you will prepare for 3 months and normally crack. Few people do crack after preparing for 3 months, but give yourself sufficient time, prepare well, follow these strategies, you will certainly crack banking examination. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.